Good early Friday morning, everybody. I had some recording issues last night, so I couldn't get a video out. So we're gonna woke up early this morning to try to get one. Off to a burnout right in the beginning. Hi, Yoshi. Hope everybody had a fantastic Thursday yesterday. We finally made it to Friday. Weekend is here, and Mario Party Jamboree's out today. So we're gonna be spending some time with that tonight over on Kick. You guys get the chance to join. Start at roughly 6 p.m. Central Time. Hopefully we can see everybody out there. Nice little shortcut there. Sitting comfy in 5th. Blue shell coming through. He tried to force me off that item block. We've gone back to the Yoshi Biddy Buggy combo because I feel like we had some pretty decent luck with it. If I could take some good lines, that would be great. Oh, we're getting hit by fire and boomerangs and another shell. Kinda got hit with the kitchen sink there. Trying to dodge all the greens. I don't know if this is the last item set or not before the race is done. Oh no, we've got a little bit left. Buy some fire on the way back. Another blue shell coming through. Use this in the event of a shock. I'm hoping we get. Just in time for this double item block. Good third place finish for our first race. Squeaky clean sprint, race number 2. Looks like our lobbies got as low as a 4.5K all the way up to almost 20. Another burnout. I don't know what our timing is, but I guess I'm still half asleep. Which on that note, I'm the only American in this lobby. Because nobody else in their right mind would be up playing Mario Kart at 6 o'clock in the morning. But hey, I do it for the people. I'll probably end up getting a secondary video out later today. I don't know if I'll have time to record everything before work. 2 bombs back to back, basically. Sitting up in 2nd. This guy's like right off to my side. He's got to keeping his distance. Blue shell coming through. Managed to avoid it. 3rd place is now taken over. He got hit. We can get a nice wide turn. Nope. Hit the suds. Nice refresh on our items here. That was a great bomb. Sounded like someone threw another one. Oh, we couldn't kiss that edge. Another blue shell. Oh, and seems to have taken a different path. Couldn't pull out in first, though. He's got another bomb. We're going to try to hit it off of him. Oh, we managed to get it. Oh, somehow we get hit though by that. Dang, that sucks. That was a fantastic shot on our part. Oh, couldn't avoid fire. Hopefully we can pull out a nice 5th place here, maybe? Yes, sir. Not as good as it could have been, but not as worse either. We're on a plant slide, race number 3. Let's see if we can get a 1st place finish. Or something better than 5th, anyway. But I am excited of the fall weather finally being here. A nice crisp chill in the air. All the spooky stuff for Halloween going on. Just reminds me a lot of when I was young, so it's by far my favorite holiday. Or season, I should say. Halloween's one of my favorite holidays. Gonna toss that back. So far we're doing A-okay. We're gonna get passed up on this corner because people are gonna have mushrooms. Just by one person. Dodge the fire. Oh no, we hit the Goomba. Somehow we managed to hit that. Oh, well, that's okay, because he's getting hit by that. We continue on. Still plenty of time for this race to go completely wrong. 1 coin out of that. Not gonna dare take any other items. I feel like I heard a boomerang behind me. Oh, yep. And that's where it starts to go bad. For whatever reason, I was holding forward on my joystick. I'm not sure how that hit us. Oh, we need to start getting some different items here. Did we get a shot come out? Oh boy. Yep, that one mix-up by us cost us the whole race. Not that my lines are doing me any better. 7th place? Oh, not better than 5th, unfortunately. Wildwoods for race number 4. Try some reverse psychology. I hope I get a nice 12th place finish. We ended up worse than what we asked for last time. Do your worst, game. Attempt you. I'm too tired to care right now. What you do to me, game. Okay, so maybe I asked for that. Got this double item block. We get a mushroom, and we do. Got a coin in passing. Fortunately, I think we hit one person. We're gonna take this side path and get some coins here. Really get a good line to grab this double. Yep. Okay, before we throw it in the worst way possible, definitely intended to throw that backwards. Okay, we get a second chance with it. Not that it does us a lot of good right here, though. Actually, right there it could. Oh, well, that gets rid of everybody's items. Comes this wiggler out of nowhere. I was gonna say, we were in second place when we grabbed that, so we should Get some good traction here. Can't. Oh no. This is how it happens. Managed to avoid the blue shell for once. Nice double item block, triple mushrooms. That gets stolen from us. Oh, there's nothing we can do about that. And 4th place. Alright, the reverse psychology kind of worked. Alright, we got Coconut Mall for race number 5. One more race to go after this. We're almost in the clear. Great first place. I need to figure out how to take that line better and not get jostled by literally everybody. We got 2 coins right now. Soon to be none. Oh no, unfortunately we missed that item block, so we're going to try to hold up here and cut this little corner right here. Oh. Sadly we got lag trailed. Alright, still plenty of time. Well, with spooky season being upon us, I was contemplating potentially playing through the Dead Space remake. Because I think it is on Game Pass right now for free. And I've played the Dead Space games a long time ago. But it's been, again, quite some time. And I think it'd be a lot of fun to play through them again. And take a nifty little shortcut right there. The mushrooms make it all the better. That was almost a great bomb by that person. Had I not had the star, I think we would have been in trouble. We're just gonna try to burn these up. Oh, this is gonna be close. Give me a single mushroom. Or triples. I'll take triples. Oh, that could be good for us. Good acceleration. Got flattened. Did we get it? 4th. What? Oh, I just expected 2nd or 3rd, not 4th. Dolphin Shoals for our last race. I specifically picked this to try to get a better performance of the last atrocity that we had. Make it happen. Dolphin Shoals is not a good course for us.